Brown sugar, Applejack milk, and chocolate drizzle.
Gotta have the breakfast early in the morning, cause when I wake up, my stomach be roaring. Gotta have the breakfast any kind of way. If I could, I would eat it all day. Yeah, you know I gotta eat the breakfast. I love it so much, I put it on my Christmas list.
Santa Claus.
Gotta have some bacon and some sausage. When it comes right out the good, then approach with caution.
Oh! He said approach with caution. I got the juice. You got the juice. I got the juice. You got the juice. I got the juice. You got the juice. I got the juice. You got the juice.
I got the juice.
You got the juice.
I got the juice.
You got the juice.
I keep the juice.
Okay.
It's my juice. Love me some pancakes and some waffles. Gotta have the hash browns and some scrapple. Gotta have the scrambled eggs right in my belly. And don't forget the toast, smothered in jelly.
Right.
I be killing all the food, puts me in a good mood. And I don't mean to be rude, but I love it more than you. This is something that I L-O-V-E, and I'm talking about B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S.
Cheerios, the Frosted Flakes, raisins, random cornflakes, but now it doesn't matter cause I found this pancake batter. And when I finish, I drown them in syrup. Then I wash it down with the juice in my cup. The girls wanna test it, but it's always during breakfast, and I think that's kinda whack, so I never text them back. Scrambled eggs on my plate, and you know it tastes great. Applejack milk going down like silk. I got the juice, got the juice, 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 I got the juice. Chocolate drizzle. You can call me Ray, but the name is Chocolate Drizzle. Walk in the kitchen, see the sausage on the gristle. Breathe in the air as I hear the breakfast sizzle. I may be short, but I never eat a little. Threw up, ate too much, now my stomach hurt. I just go to sleep and wake up to Mrs. Butterworth. Cares about breakfast, my brother just let me tell you I love me, but I'm not a fan of that. I got this one girl and I'm about to leave her cause all the mind know about to turn me into a cheater. Making like alcohol, it's time for last call. Eat the breakfast till my arteries filled with cholesterol. I got the juice, we 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 got the juice, yeah, we got the juice. Oh, ABC, Applejack milk, brown sugar, chocolate drizzle. Yeah, thanks Tay for the beat. Breakfast freestyle, boy.
Shout out to Dawn Tainment.
Oh. Hey, I'm sorry.